So as you can see, now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has actually just went there, and then BJP workers welcomed him, and you can see the BJP workers raising slogans in honor of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is also a Lok Sabha MP from Varanasi, and I've been standing here for the past 2 hours, and I can see that the workers are very enthusiastic about this visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is in fact his 22nd or 23rd visit to his constituency since he became the Lok Sabha MP from Varanasi, and only last month he was there. And people here are telling me that since Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become a member of parliament from Varanasi, this city has got a complete makeover. The infrastructure has totally transformed, and the idea to bring head of the states to Varanasi is actually a new dimension in India's policy of welcoming the foreign guests to India. So this is what is very interesting, and as I've been mentioning earlier, that Mauritius being a very close partner of India, and in Mauritius and India have the relationship which goes long back, and they have a strong cultural and civilization ties. There's a very strong bonding, and the place where I'm standing, Varanasi, which comes from eastern UP and also areas from Bihar, these are the places from where people have migrated to Mauritius. So the Bhojpuri language, which is very popular here in this area, is also spoken in Mauritius. So that bond is also exists between the two countries. So this meeting, which is going to start now in the Hotel Taj, where PM Modi will be meeting Mauritius Prime Minister Mr. Naveen Chandra Ramgoolam. All these issues of bilateral cooperation will be discussed in length, and PM Modi will be hosting a lunch for Mr. Ramgoolam, and after that PM Modi will be leaving to Dehradun to inspect the flood-affected areas there, and Mr. Ramgoolam will be going to the ghats of Varanasi, and he will be on a cruise to witness Ganga Aarti in the evening, and tomorrow morning he will be going to go to Kashi Vishwanath Temple. And this visit is significant in the sense that India and Mauritius have been talking to each other about cooperation in various sectors. That also includes in renewable energy, infrastructure, and also the blue economy. In fact, PM Modi was in Mauritius earlier this year. He was there on a bilateral visit in March, and at that point of time, various memorandum of understandings were signed between the two countries. The idea now is to enhance this partnership, and also as far as the global south is concerned, these two nations are very important, and that's why India is looking for an enhanced role of Mauritius as far as the global south area is concerned, and that's why this visit is considered to be very important between India and Mauritius relationship. Now as you can see, the people are standing on both sides of the road. BJP workers are lined up here since morning, and now the governor of Uttar Pradesh, Anandiben Patel, she will be also coming, and people are welcoming her also. And PM Modi just went by now, and he actually was waving hands to all the workers. He was welcoming them, he was greeting them, and I've spoken to a few people here, and they were telling me that they are very happy that somebody who is representing them is India's Prime Minister for the past 11 years, and the way he has transformed his constituency, apart from developing the entire nation, is an amazing work, and they are hoping that this will continue for the near future to come. Back to you in the studio.
Right. Akhilesh, yesterday Mr. Ramgoolam had said before his visit to India that India is being significantly impacted by the tariffs and trade war that is going on. So if you could take us through, what the agenda is going to be in terms of, economic cooperation, considering the tariffs that has been imposed by the US on many countries, because that is something that will be a point of discussion, we believe.
That's correct. In fact, India is focusing on Atmanirbhar and Swadeshi, and PM Modi is talking about making India products for a very long time. And this visit will actually, open another market for India. Though Mauritius has been a very big trade partner of India, but in the current situation where US has imposed tariff on India, India is looking for alternative markets, and Mauritius is one of those markets where the exporters can actually look. and that's why this visit also important in the sense to enhance economic cooperation between the two countries. And also there's a talk about blue economy that also includes various products related to the marine life, and the seafood and all these are included in that. And in that area, India is talking about a greater cooperation with various neighbors, including Mauritius, Maldives, Sri Lanka. All these nations are there to enhance the economic cooperation in that area also. Then there is another sector of renewable energy, and India and Mauritius are very strongly working together in that direction, and there's a lot of investment by Indian government into Mauritius as far as this area is concerned. So you can see now this roadshow is almost over, and now the workers who have gathered here since morning holding India's flag and also Mauritius flag, they are now actually about to leave because they have seen their local MP, their Prime Minister, and they are raising slogans for India-Mauritius friendship. So for them, it's a very important development, very important experience also, because as I was mentioning earlier, since Prime Minister Modi has become a Lok Sabha MP from Varanasi, various heads of the states have come to Varanasi. Earlier what used to happen that they used to come to only capital city New Delhi. But since Modi has become Prime Minister, he has insisted that other cities should also welcome dignitaries from other countries. So that's why, be it Varanasi or Bangalore or any other city for that matter, they have been welcoming the dignitaries. Back to you, Industry.
Right, Akhilesh, thank you for getting us those ground details. We'll also go across to Manogya, who's also joining us from Varanasi. Manogya, this is obviously a crucial bilateral that is set to take place in Prime Minister Modi's constituency itself with Mauritius Prime Minister Ramgoolam. If you could take us through what concrete deliverables, perhaps in the form of agreements, MOUs or joint statements are expected from today's meetings. How does this Varanasi meeting particularly deepen ties between the two countries?
Well, absolutely. On one hand, there's turmoil in Nepal, and on the other hand, we are in talks with Mauritius. Remember, the relationship goes down almost more than 4 centuries, giving you an idea on how strong the relationship between India and Mauritius had been. And here I am in Varanasi on the Mint Road crossing, which is not just beautifully decorated with Prime Minister's posters as well as Prime Minister's Naveen Chandra Ramgoolam's posters also. The hotel here just in the backyard is the place where the meetings are taking place, and it is expected to continue for next few hours, approximately 3 to 4 hours. The flowers showered on Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he arrived here, as well as the cantonment area that has been completely decorated for it. Remember, it's not just the importance of the two countries, but also the historical as well as the spiritual, as well as the cultural exchange of ideas and thoughts that we both have between India and Mauritius. Dharmen ji is with us. Dharmen ji, कितना महत्व है इस बैठक का और आपके लिए यहाँ वाराणसी में हो रही है?
वाराणसी में हमारे सांसद, देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री, दुनिया के प्रखर नेता आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी जहां का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं। आज मॉरिशस के प्रधानमंत्री जी यहाँ रामगुलाम जी हैं और उनके साथ बैठ के वो शिखर वार्ता करेंगे। इस काशी से एक संदेश जाना है। आदरणीय मोदी जी ने स्वदेशी का नारा दिया है। आदरणीय मोदी जी ने जीएसटी के एक स्लैब को चेंज किया है।
और देशों की बात होती है तो दोनों देश में तो भावनाएं भी बहुत मिलती हैं, मॉरिशस और भारत।
क्या है कि जब मोदी जी आह्वान करते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री यहीं के लाल थे, उन्होंने कहा कि जय जवान जय किसान, एक दिन का हम उपवास करेंगे। तो हम उस समय गीत गाते थे जब भारत से चाइना की लड़ाई हुई थी। आज दुनिया हमें आंखें दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही है, लेकिन 140 करोड़ के ये लोग, जनता, भारत की जनता आदरणीय मोदी जी के साथ खड़ी है और गीत गाती है।
आप कुछ गीत,
वह गीत था जब गाते थे कि बहिनी हो ललनवा देता, भैया हो ललनवा देता, भौजी हो गहनवा देता, देशवा के कारण अपने गोदी के ललनवा देदा, भौजी हो सिंदूरवा देदा, भौजी हो गहनवा। सारा न्यौछावर है देश के लिए, एक एक बच्चा यहाँ का।
Here is the beauty of Varanasi, is the beauty of spirituality, and with that also the beauty on the streets of Varanasi, known for its food, power, style and almost everything. This also happens to be Prime Minister Narendra Modi's constituency. And if I could show you the decoration, it's not just about the enthusiasm that you see in people, but also the entire decoration on the streets with Prime Minister's photographs, pictures, hoardings, and of course the cultural exchange that will be taking place today, and also the economic exchange which will hold a lot of importance, giving you an idea of how important it is between the two countries. Remember, India was the first responder after COVID-19 vaccine crisis for Mauritius. Besides that, India has always stood by Mauritius, and Mauritius also stood by here. And I'm joined by a lot of people here. I'll bring you across to a lot of people, especially women who are here. Madam, आप जो यहाँ पर आई हैं, आज कितना बड़ा दिन है आपके लिए, क्योंकि एक और प्रधानमंत्री अपने देश के और मॉरिशस के यहाँ पर बैठक करना, ये तो दिल्ली में भी हो सकती थी, लेकिन वाराणसी में करने से क्या अंतर आया?
आप क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे, समझ में नहीं आया।
वाराणसी में करने से इसमें क्या क्या अंतर आया? क्योंकि दिल्ली में भी हो सकती थी बैठकें, लेकिन वाराणसी में आकर बैठक करना कितनी बड़ी बात है वाराणसी की?
सबसे पहले तो हर हर महादेव, क्योंकि
जनता पार्टी
जिंदाबाद।
There are a lot of people here. You would see the entire mood that you see here is of people all coming together and giving you an idea. जी बताइए क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
जो द्विपक्षीय वार्ता हो रही है भारत और मॉरिशस के बीच, इसमें इतने बड़े प्रोग्राम बनेंगे, आयरन, स्टील, सिल्क फैक्ट्री, जरी और तन्य करने के उद्योगों का जो आज व्याकरण हो रहा है भारत और मॉरिशस के बीच, ये बहुत बड़े लेवल का काम करेगा। मॉरिशस हमेशा से भारत का हितैषी रहा है और आज ये द्विपक्षीय वार्ता माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और राम गोपाल गुलाम जी का ये ऐतिहासिक फैसला होगा आज भारत के हित के लिए, भारत के उद्योग के लिए, भारत के व्यापार के लिए।
On the discussions that have been taking place, but giving you an idea of the entire diaspora impact that it would have. It is also about the Indo-Pacific region that will see an impact on how India has the strength, but it has to be increasing day by day. Remember, there has been 50% tariff also on India, and on the global platform, Mauritius might appear to be a small country, but the impact and the social impact as well as various impact will be far more than we can imagine.